Good day, traders, and welcome to Elite Currency quick trading ideas with me and the Black Widow system. Guys, quickly, these are weekly ideas that I have. And just before I start, have in mind that these ideas are done by the Black Widow, my newest and last semi-automatical trading method, because this is the pinnacle of intraday trading, extremely accurate trading method where you can always check our results. This is the corporate account that I'm trading $50,000 of deposit. You can see with ECS live signals and trading how it goes. So it's going slowly but steadily, and it is semi-automated, very, very easy to trade. Black Widow you can always get at our website. Until the end of September, it's on big sale, 31%. So you can get it now only for 899 euros. After the end of September, this is going to be higher. Okay, so guys, this is the first thing that I see is a potential rejection in the Australian dollar, New Zealand. We have the markets going up. There was a cross, of course. At the same time, this is the real time following indicator. It was crossing. Now the markets are slightly back, but we have all the rules in place. So Australian dollar, New Zealand, I think it should drop towards 0.750, maybe during the night to the lower levels. But today we should be, if it drops, we should be seeing it towards these levels. I have also scanned other markets. GBP dollar is long. The zone to watch for any long trade opportunities is 27.80, 27.90, 27.70. Then euro dollar is let me quickly go to euro dollar. Euro dollar is short. I almost put a short here, but I was waiting for a bigger pullback. So my shorting zone is in between 0.670 and 0.695. Okay, so the market can get here and then start to drop. Other than this, euro yen is also possibly a short, guys, and there is a big chance that market is going to reverse. This trade is happening right now, but you see this red line is slightly above blue line, but we can actually maybe it will be also good to trade euro yen. Let me see, guys, and this is what I usually do. If I see a trading opportunity, guys, I immediately enter. So let me just quickly send a message because I will be trading this. You need to know that each trade that I make, I'm sending to my Telegram channel group, guys. This Telegram channel group is, I have a lot of traders there who are following me, and I like to trade my Black Widow a lot. So, guys, I'm selling this market, and exactly here, I will be also opening this trade on my live account. So this is euro yen, okay, sell trade right now. For full, you see I sold it. Now I will actually put a stop loss, but for full signals and for full trade management, guys, you need to effectively tune in and join our Elite Currency live or ECS live channel, where I do this literally every day, many times per day. Sometimes we have 4 setups per day, and you can purchase it here. By purchasing the Black Widow, you will automatically gain 1 month of setups for free, so you can see also which trades I take. This is the full-fledged course with a full hour of material where I explain about trade management, money management, entries, exits, trends, and so on and so on. So you will be seeing a lot. I also keep the spreadsheet open. So basically all traders are able to access the spreadsheet of all trades that I've been doing, of course, with my ECS live group. So guys, so euro yen trade, Australian dollar, New Zealand, euro dollar potential short, GBP dollar potential long, And the last trade, that last potential trade that I was watching, because GBP pairs are very, very, very strong, is the long. So if the GBP New Zealand drops towards 2095 zone, remember, this is the fastest moving market in Forex. So GBP New Zealand is the fastest Forex pair. I'm talking about minors and majors, not including exotics. This is extremely volatile market. Today, 190, 240 pips. Last 14 days, 190. Extremely volatile market. So this is potential long zone. So again, guys, if you want to have full trading ideas with full money management, with clear entries and clear exits, okay, you will join this link and purchase the Black Widow system, 1 month for free on ECS Live. Other than this, I told you this is for free, of course, what I'm telling you now. So this is what I see here. These are potential setups, guys. You can mark these levels on your charts, see how they perform, but have in mind that the Black Widow is intraday trading system, so the levels last usually until midnight, and then we have recalculation of these zones. This is Algo Trade basic method with completely fully verified MyFX book account and our spreadsheet. I will talk to you soon, guys. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you very, very soon also on my new webinars. And if you want, of course, sign up for the Black Widow and ECS Live and use the discount while it still lasts. See you very, very soon, guys. Cheers and trade safe.